Hello, Falava, Malo e Lele. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Center of Balance Life. My name is Kenny, the acupuncturist and Chinese medicine practitioner from Center of Balance. Today's topic is about bad breath and which acupressure points could be helpful for type of conditions. Please like and share and tag those that could benefit from our daily topic. So do you or know anyone who suffer from bad breath? If you do, please reply one and definitely save this topic. Let's get one of these three tools ready. It could be your finger, whether it's your thumb, your index finger, or your middle finger. Number two is your knuckle, where you bend your index finger down and with your thumb supporting it. Number three is a massage device or some small rounded tool, not sharp, please. So what is bad breath? Bad breath, officially known as halitosis, affects everyone at some point, whether it's the temporary type that can come from a garlic, pizza or trapped food particles, or we simply forgot to brush our teeth in the morning. So bad breath is far from ideal, of course. It is one of those work situation or social moments that we really want to avoid. Once the bad odor becomes a daily occurrence and that gum and mouthwash don't fix the problem, it means something is up. It can be a chronic condition or some underlying health problem that need further medical attention. So what are the different causes or possible causes of bad breath odor? So number one can be the poor dental hygiene. The bacteria breaks down food particles trapped in the teeth or mouth, or worse, the small opening between gums and teeth. The combination of the bacteria and decaying of the trapped food in mouth produces an unpleasant odor. Bad breath also can be a problem if you wear dentures and you don't clean them every night. Strong food or beverage. So you're drinking beverages such as alcohol or some caffeine with strong odor, eating onion, garlics or other foods with strong odors. Our stomach absorbs the oil from the food during digestions, and these oils pass into our bloodstream and travel to our lungs, which this produce an odor that can be quite noticeable in our breath for up to 72 hours. Tobacco products, smoking can cause bad odor and dries out our mouth, which can make our breath odor even worse, which lead to dry mouth. So the reduction of saliva flow can lead to dry mouth, as saliva does help to keep our mouth clean and reduce odor. The dry mouth can be a problem if we sleep with our mouth open or taking certain medication such as hypertension, high blood pressure medication, or with some urinary conditions. Stress can also be a factor that lead to bad breath, because it can result in saliva gland hypofunction, which is the same as before with the poor saliva production. Low carb diet. This type of diet may be caused by ketones that are released in the breath when our body breaks down the fat for energy. As fat burns, they build up in the body and are released through the breath and can be smelly. So you might want to reconsider it or modify the low carb diet. Periodontal disease or gum disease. Bad breath odor may even develop due to sinus infection, postnatal drain, an infection in the upper or lower respiratory system, tonsil stone. The unusual breath odor can be a symptom of some serious condition as well, such as kidney or liver disease or failure, diabetes, sleep apnea, or gastroesophageal reflux disorder. Besides the reason of improper oral hygiene, bad breath can be the consequences of several so-called pattern of disharmony according to Chinese medicine. As we all know, or as you know, Chinese medicine sees the body as a system, not a sum of isolated parts. A pattern is when the system harmony is disrupted, leading to signs and symptoms that something is wrong, like bad breath here. In traditional Chinese medicine theory, the smell is usually coming from a combination of heat and stagnation, or stagnation prolonged generating heat. Okay, the heat is a frequently sign of inflammation or infection, or the heat can be caused by improper diet, insufficient rest, prolonged illness, stress, and stagnation means that there is a congestion of some kind of obstruction of the normal movement and the function of the qi, blood and jing within our body, and this is all according to Chinese medicine. Gums and mouth are the extension of the digestive system. They reflect the condition of the stomach. It is probably due to poor digestion, where the poor process of digestion hinders the food moving from our stomach and through the rest of our digestive tract, which that blocked off or can give off smell, and then the accumulation of the food may also produce dampness, or the prolonged dysfunction may even form phlegm in long term. So apart from poor digestion, the excessive consumption of spicy food, alcohol also can generate excessive pathogenic heat, which all result in the mouth ulcer, gum swelling, dry mouth, reflux, constipation, which are all causes of bad breath. Common cold or flu isn't likely to cause you bad breath, but other chronic conditions may arise from our lungs, such as chronic cough, congestions, pneumonia, asthma. That all can trigger a combination of heat and stagnation, result in making our breath smells. Sometimes it can be hard to pinpoint exactly where our bad breath is coming from, so best to seek professional help such as the dentist first. If the dental problem or oral hygiene have been ruled out, best to see the traditional Chinese medicine practitioner to get it under control. So what can we do? What are the acupuncture points that could be helpful? So please don't forget to like and share or tag those people that can be benefit from this video. Number 1, flex your elbow. Okay, this point is on the lateral end of the transverse cubital crest. Basically, when you flex your elbow, you can see the line here. It's just at the end of the line. Use your thumb or your finger to press. Find the most sensitive point around there and massage up to 60 seconds. Be firm, don't press too hard, please. Second one, we can place the first 3 fingers width of our right hand across the wrist here, like this, and then and then where you can see, you can place your pinky on the inside of your wrist, just below the index finger, or at this point is on the ring finger. Okay, so 3 points just underneath here and between the 2 tendons there. You should be able to find a sensitive points there. Okay, so just to be exact, you can see the 2 tendons here. So 3 fingers just underneath here, you can see the 2 tendons. Okay, so it's just running down from your middle finger down. Okay, so it's between the 2 tendons. And you find the most sensitive points there, and then massage up to 60 seconds. Okay, be careful, just don't press it too hard. The last one is on the anterior aspect of our lower leg. Okay, which is our lower leg here. 4 finger down from the kneecap, 4 fingers. Just underneath here, you press 1 finger. Right along there, you can find a sensitive points there. Okay, so basically, it's just on the anterior aspect of your lower leg, 4 finger width below your kneecap, and 1 finger width in from the anterior crest of tibia, so which is the bone. Okay, 4 fingers and then 1 finger. Okay, you can use your thumb or your finger to press or massage up to 60 seconds. Again, be firm, don't press too hard, okay, because it might hurt. Of course, some of these points might not work for you. It is very important for us to do an initial examination with a series of questions in order to assess and identify which organ system is or are out of balance that's causing the bad breath. So please don't hesitate to call us or email us info@balancetcm.co.nz to book an appointment, or check out our website www.balancetcm.co.nz. We have 3 clinics in 3 different places: Hamilton, Raglan and Auckland. But if you're outside of New Zealand, don't worry. As long as you have internet access, we offer online Zoom consultation, simply because we love what we do best. My name is Kenny. That's all from me today. If you like or enjoy our daily life, please give us a thumbs up, like and share. Thank you for joining us. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again. I love to you all. Stay awesome.